Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. Welcome back to my YouTube program. Once again, my name is Gift Sunday World of Beauty Italy. Today, I go to teach you how to cook fish pepper soup. For all my viewers, abeg una subscribe. For all those that dey subscribe to my YouTube, God go bless una in Jesus' name. So these are my ingredients. One go to use to cook the fish pepper soup. So now pepper soup spices, they already gone now. This one are my tomatoes. This one are my maggi. This one are my pepper. This one are the onions. This one are the salt. This one are the water. This one are my catfish. So the next thing I go do now to put water for the pot. After I don't put the water, then the next one to do is to put my fish. After I put the fish, then the next thing I go do now to put my onions. Then after the onions, then I'll go put my pepper. I like pepper well, so I will put a lot of pepper. After the pepper, the next thing I will put now to put my tomatoes. So after I put the pepper, the next thing I will put now to put my maggi. Then after I put the maggi, then I'll go put my pepper soup spices. So I already put all the ingredients. So the next thing I go do now to cover for 10 minutes. What we need to do now to check our pepper soup, whether our pepper soup done. Wow! Look at our fish pepper soup. This fish pepper soup, there too go sweet though. The fish not break, everything all complete. So the next thing I'll put now to put my salt. Little salt. So that it's not go too much, so it's not go too kasha. So you have to small. And after you put the salt, you need to turn the food, to turn the pepper soup, so that the salt will mix them together, everything will be equal. After you don't put the salt, then you need to cover like 3 minutes. So what we need to do next is to check if it's already. So I beg when I draw me test, I'm gonna test whether it's already, that all done. Wow. Pepper soup done ready. I'm going to eat my pepper soup with rice. This is my cooked rice. One of my cooked rice I could use to eat my delicious pepper soup. The pepper soup is ready. I don't want to call sauce. When I call join me eat because early morning go fit. My pepper soup done ready. When I call join me eat because early morning go fit eat this pepper soup. So now my cook rice. I'm going to use until they eat the pepper soup. So by next week I will upload another video. I beg all the people that did subscribe. God will bless you now. But when I keep on commenting, when they like my video, when they comment, when I share my video, people will view my video. I beg when I subscribe. By next week I will introduce myself so I go know who I be. Because since when I opened the YouTube since last 2 months, I never introduced myself. But I promise I say by next week I will introduce myself so I go know who I be. Thanks for watching and God will bless you now in Jesus' name. But when I call join me eat today, they serve the pepper soup for my plate. So and the rice I'm going to use to eat. God will bless you now in Jesus' name. I beg when I continue to watch my video, when I like my video, and God will continue to bless you. And also I knew open the YouTube. I beg when I support me, and I will continue to do my best to give you the latest food. Bye bye. See you next week.